Tired of buffering and dead zones killing your internet experience? Whether you're working from home, streaming in 4K, or gaming online, a reliable Wi-Fi signal is essential. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Wi-Fi extenders that will transform your connectivity. Number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have a powerhouse Wi-Fi extender perfect for medium to large homes. This dual-band device operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, delivering speeds up to 1200 mmps. What sets this model apart are 4 powerful antennas that eliminate dead zones throughout your home. The built-in Ethernet port lets you connect wired devices for maximum stability. Setup is incredibly simple. Just plug it in, press WPS, and you're connected in seconds. It works seamlessly in both repeater and access point modes. The compact design won't hog your outlets, and intelligent LED indicators show optimal placement. Whether you're streaming movies in the bedroom or video calling from the basement, this extender ensures every corner stays connected. Want to grab this reliable performer? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, we have the 2025's best-rated Wi-Fi extender for modern connected households. This device covers up to 1,500 square feet and handles 30 devices simultaneously. Smart TVs, phones, tablets, laptops, security cameras, it manages everything effortlessly. The dual-band technology routes traffic between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for optimal performance. Gaming and 4K streaming? No problem. Multiple video calls and downloads? Still smooth. The Ethernet port provides dedicated high-speed connection for demanding devices. Installation takes under 5 minutes with intuitive setup, and the compact design blends into any room. LED indicators help you find the perfect placement spot. This is ideal for households with multiple people working from home, kids distance learning, and constant entertainment. Ready to upgrade? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. At number 3 is the Speed Champion, the 2026 fastest Wi-Fi extender, delivering up to 89% faster performance than conventional models. This device supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz frequencies with combined speeds of 1200 mmps. The latest technology ensures your signal reaches farther, faster, and stronger. Imagine downloading large files while family members stream 4K videos and someone games online. Everything runs flawlessly. The advanced chipset reduces latency and eliminates lag for premium internet throughout your home. The Ethernet port lets you hardwire gaming consoles or smart TVs for ultimate performance. Setup is straightforward with multiple configuration options. The sleek design includes ventilation to prevent overheating. Whether you demand maximum speeds or have a constantly connected family, this delivers professional-grade performance. Want the fastest Wi-Fi extension? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2. At number 2, we have the ultimate solution for large properties and multi-story homes. This extender boasts incredible coverage of 10,000 square feet, enough for the biggest houses, yards, and workshops. Anti-interference technology keeps your signal strong and stable, even with multiple wireless networks nearby. This delivers intelligent signal management that adapts to your space. The device functions as wireless repeater, router, and access point for complete flexibility. Dual band support means devices automatically connect to the best frequency. Set it up once and forget it. Plug-and-play installation is simple. Robust build quality ensures years of reliable performance with advanced heat dissipation. Perfect for home offices in detached buildings, backyard entertainment, or ensuring every room has full bars. This is for people who refuse to compromise on coverage. Ready to eliminate dead zones? Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And now, the champion, the absolute king of Wi-Fi extenders. This powerhouse covers an astounding 13,225 square feet while supporting 130 devices simultaneously. You could outfit an entire office building or large multifamily home with one device. Dual-band technology operates on 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz with blistering 1200 Mbps speeds, ensuring every device gets needed bandwidth. 4 high-gain antennas create coverage that penetrates walls, floors, and ceilings easily. Advanced beamforming focuses signals directly to your devices for maximum efficiency. The Ethernet port enables wired connections for critical devices, while AP mode transforms it into a standalone access point. Setup takes minutes, with intelligent LED indicators for optimal placement. Professional-grade components handle continuous heavy use without overheating. Whether running a home business, managing dozens of smart devices, or demanding the best, this is your solution. Ready for unlimited connectivity? Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.